Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will walk through a simple yet useful Java program that calculates the area and perimeter of a rectangle based on user input. This program uses JOptionPane from the Swing library to interact with the user, making it a great example of how to get input and display results in a graphical user interface. And let's dive right in. So the overview of this code is to take the length and width of a rectangle as input from the user and then calculates both the area and perimeter. At the very beginning of the code, we import java.swing, javax.swing.jOptionPane. This allows us to create pop-up dialog boxes for user input and displaying messages without the need for a command line. It's a quick way to build simple GUI applications in Java. Declaring the main method, which is this. The program starts by defining the main method, which is the entry point when we run the program. This is where all the actions take place. Now taking input from the user, which is this right here. Now why show input dialog? This function prompts the user to input a value, and the input is returned as a string. This line shows an input dialog box asking the user to enter the length and width of the rectangle. Now, parsing the input to double. Since the input from the JOptionPane is in the form of a string, we need to convert it to a double. We do this using double.parseIt, double and close and open parentheses, which converts a string to a floating point number. Now, calculating the area. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width, and the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus width. Now, displaying the results to the user. We prepare a message containing the area and perimeter values. So this new line creates a new line in the message so that area and perimeter are displayed on the separate lines. Finally, show message dialog is used to display this message in a pop-up dialog box. The user will see the results as soon as the program finishes the calculation. So we will be running the program.
Now let's type the length into 5.0 and the width of 3.0. Now here you go.
This shows how the program works step by step. You enter the length and width, performs the calculation, and then it displays the area and perimeter in a pop-up dialog. And that's it. This is a simple yet powerful program for calculating the area and perimeter of a rectangle. It's a great starting point for beginners learning Java, and it demonstrates how easy it is to use JOptionPane for user interaction. I hope you find this explanation helpful. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.